Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to solve a question. This one is prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational number. Okay. So only root 2 how to prove irrational, only root 3 how to prove irrational. I think everybody knows that. Now combination type, that is root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. How to prove this type of questions we will solve today. So now today we are going to solve this question. Now process, we will apply the similar process as we have to prove that root 2 is irrational number. So we have to take root 2 as rational number. Let us assume that. Now same process we will apply here. So proof. So first what we will do? Let us assume root 2 plus root 3 is rational number. After that, now any number is rational number means what? We can write that number in the form of p by q, where q not equals to 0 and p and q are co-prime. Okay. So we can write this implies root 2 plus root 3 equal to p by q, where q not equals to 0 and p and q are co-prime. Okay. Now here we will not solve this question with p by q. Now we will take root 2 plus root 3 equal to x. Instead of p by q, now I am writing x. That means what? X should be equal to p by q. That one we will write in bracket here. Let x equal to p by q. Now p by q I am taking as x. Okay. So that calculation will become easier. You can solve with p by q, no problem in that, but their calculation will be little bit complicated. Now next step what we are doing? We are squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Now here remember that before squaring both sides, anyone, either root 2 or root 3, anyone you have to change the side. Okay. So that is your choice, which one you can change. Now I am changing root 3. So root 2 equal to x minus root 3. Plus root 3 will go that side, then it will become minus root 3. Now what we will do? Squaring both sides. We get, now we have to do square, then what we will get? Root 2 square equal to x minus root 3 whole square. Easy. Now after that what we will do? We have to calculate the square. Root 2 square is 2 equal to, now here you need to apply a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a, that is x, so x square minus 2 into x into root 3 plus root 3 whole square. Okay. After that what we will do? We will calculate same x square minus, now it will become 2x root 3 plus root 3 square is 3. Now what we have to do? Now see, in this whole equation only root part is root 3. In this whole equation only root part is root 3. So what we will do? We will take this root 3 in one side and all the things in another side. Okay. So what we have to do? Now this 2 I am changing that side, and this minus 2x root 3 I am changing this side, so that root 3 will be separate. So minus 2x root 3 will become plus 2x root 3 equal to, then what will remain here? X square plus 3, and this 2 if we will change, it will become minus 2. Okay. After that Now what I have told, root 3 should be alone. Now with root 3 what is there? 2x is there, we have to change this 2x. Then root 3 equal to x square plus, now 3 minus 2 is 1, then divided by 2x, because 2x is an into, if we change it will become divide. Okay, up to this much understood? Now see here what we are getting. One side it is root 3, another side it is x square plus 1 by 2x. And what is x? X is a rational number, p by q. Now here this one will become what? Rational number, and this is irrational number. Root 3 is irrational, everybody knows that. Now what we will write? We know root 3 is irrational. We know root 3 is irrational number, but it is not given in the question. Na? In question they have not written anything that root 2 irrational or root 3 irrational. Now how we can say root 3 is irrational? Because square root of any prime number is irrational. Okay, that one you need to remember. You no need to solve root 3 is irrational. Directly you can say in one line, that is root 3 is irrational number because square root of any prime number, 3 is a prime number, so square root of any prime number is irrational. Now if you are solving this one with root 2, you are changing root 2 that side, then what you will get? You will get here root 2. Then what you will write? Same process. We know root 2 is irrational number because square root of any prime number is irrational. 2 also prime number. Okay. And then this one is irrational, then this is what? This is rational number. And x square plus 1 divided by 2x is a rational number because x is rational number. Now what we got? This one is irrational, this is rational number, and then what is written? In between these two equal symbol is there. That means what? Irrational number is equal to rational number, which is not possible. Okay, then what we will write? Also we know rational number cannot be equal to an irrational number. Rational number and irrational number, they will be equal. So now what we are getting? We are getting one contradiction. Okay, so therefore this contradiction arises because of our wrong assumption. Okay, so in our calculation there is no mistake. So that means what we are getting? Root 3 is equal to this one, irrational equal to rational we are getting, and we know that they cannot be equal, they will never equal. That means what is wrong? We are getting two different things at a time. So which one is wrong? Our assumption is wrong. Okay, so hence what we will write? root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, this much only. Now remember that here I have changed. It was root 2 equal to root 2 plus root 3 is equal to x. Okay, root 2 plus root 3 is equal to x. I have changed root 3 that side. Now it is up to you. You can change root 2 also. You can change root 3 also, your choice. If nothing is given to you. Now sometimes they can give in the question, given that root 2 is irrational, prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. That time, which one you have to change the side? Root 2. Which one is given? That one you have to change the side. Remember that. Okay. If root 3 is given irrational, then you will change root 3. Now here nothing is given, then it is your choice. I have changed root 3. Okay. So I think it is clear to everyone. If any problem is there, then you can feel free to ask. Thank you.